Welcome back to the channel, everybody. As you know, people like to give me random things to fix. So today, we got something from Byrna. If you're familiar with them, they're the company that does the thing with the spicy projectiles. So this apparently is a personal protection device, I guess. You pull the little ring. Let me set you up in the stand and we'll show you this thing. Hang on. All right, so as you can see, this is this thing from Byrna. Again, if you know, you know, look it up. That's the kind of stuff you can't really talk about on YouTube. So all it is you pull it and you can hear, you're like, ooh, that's not very scary. What's that gonna do? Well, I'm pretty sure that you pull this and there's an LED in here, and you can see there's speaker hole. So a coworker was like, hey, check this out. So I started looking at it. You see that? I bet this thing just pops right open. Let me get where's my screwdriver? I got another one, Phillips, just in case. Let's open this up. I'm gonna start by wedging right here. Now you told me, oh, you know, these are, I'm not sure you knew or not, but it's like, oh, you know, can't replace the batteries. I'm thinking we can replace the batteries, trust me. So get in here. Oh, see? We're already popping into it. Let's if this is to be believed, come over to this side. Hey, all right. So let's zoom in on this. Let's zoom in. What do we got going on here? So you can see two wires. There's our LED, and we have two screws. 1, 2. Huh. How did I know I was going to need a Phillips? All these little boards take Phillips. All right, let's zoom you back out. A little in. Okay. Let's unscrew this. There's one. I'm wondering, what's your guess? What kind of battery? My guess is a CR2032, because just about everything takes those. And, oh my God. Oh, gee, what kind of batteries are those? Let's see. CR2032s. You know what? I just happen to have some, because, you know, at the lab here, we got all sorts of weird stuff. So why wouldn't you have CR2032s? They make these batteries such a pain to get into, you know? Jesus. All right, we get our fresh batteries, and what's it say on there? Lickby. Lithium cobalt? I don't know what that is. Lithium battery, 3 volts. Okay, so 2 of these stacked together, 6 volts. Now, it's early in the morning here, and so we're gonna make sure the pin's in. Hopefully this thing doesn't. Okay. All right. Okay. Now let's zoom you out. All right. Let's put this thing back together. Twisting up the wires. There we go. Okay. Put back our 2 screws. One here and one here. We got our case. I think that just, yeah. Hinges right here. All right. Hang on. Snap back in there. There we go. There we go. See? It's only been 5 minutes. All right. I'm not doing this inside because my guess is this is probably like 120 decibels. So let's go outside by my truck, and then we'll pull the pin. All right, we're walking outside here. We'll set you up on the truck, and we'll light this thing off. All right, get you set up here. All right, so it's gonna be quick. I'm gonna have to shove this thing back in. All right, guys, ready? Oh, okay, well, it works. That's enough. We'll see you guys. Easy.
I am Iron Man.